Whether you're headed to the beach, the tailgate, or the campsite, packing a cooler is essential. Keeping your snacks and drinks at a food-safe temperature, making sure things don't get crushed or soggy, and keeping your cooler colder longer are some of the many challenges when it comes to filling up your ice chest. So let's clear the fog on the best ways to pack a cooler and keep it cool. Now, if you're watching on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe. Chill all your food and drinks before packing them up. Your cooler won't have to work as hard if your snacks are already cold. Seal everything up in waterproof containers to keep it dry and uncrushed. You don't want any melted ice seeping in and making these things soggy. Also, don't store your smartphones in there. I may or may not have learned that the hard way. Womp womp. Stack your food and drinks on top of each other with layers of ice in between to maximize the chill factor. Keep your cooler as full as possible. A full cooler stays colder longer. Your cooler loses its chill a little bit every time it's opened. So consider a different cooler for drinks if you and your friends are planning on getting your drink on. Stick your cooler in the shadiest spot you can find, for the obvious reasons. Whatever you do, don't drain the melted ice water. It actually keeps the contents of your cooler colder. Stay cool, friends.